I have the misfortune of living on the corner of 3 highways. And this is the intersection in front of my house. So the city of Ripon takes all of that snow that we get and they shovel it right in front of my driveway. And then the city says I have to dispose of it because it's on the road. All of this snow, my sidewalk is right on the road. This is the difference between my driveway and the driveway next to me. This is my sidewalk, my driveway. All of that snow that's in that road gets shoveled right in front of my driveway, and I'm supposed to take care of this. The city said to me I have to dispose of this. But they're the ones that put it right in front of my house. Oh, this is the corner. This is the corner where I live. And all that snow, they plow it up around the street next to me and bring it right around the corner. And they put it right in front of my house, right in front of my driveway. There's almost no snow at all on that side of that road. Now this snow here, they're going to come along 2 or 3 times today. They're going to pile it all in a corner. Here comes the snowplow. They're going to come around the corner and they're going to pile all of that snow on that road there in front of my house. And then the city said, I have to dispose of it. It's my problem, they said. Look at my sidewalk. And then they gave me a citation because they said I can't shovel that into the road. That's what I have to deal with here.